Hi, I'm Jen from MasterChef Australia 2022, and I'm super excited to be collaborating with Nymble to share some of my delicious recipes with you guys. These include my gamjajorim, my dak galbi, my chicken congee with a variation for vegetarians, and my soy braised bitter melon. Australia a couple of decades ago was not as culturally diverse as it is now, and access to ethnic food that was authentic and delicious was quite difficult. So a lot of the times, something we want to eat because we missed it, we would have to ask mum to make it for us. And for those culturally significant holidays, she would make sure she made something authentic for us so we didn't miss out on that experience. You can directly feel how happy that makes somebody feel when they eat that food. And I think that's what really got me so fascinated by cooking. It's not just the food being delicious, but it can touch someone's memory, someone's soul. And I think that's why I'm so passionate about it.